How to fix common bugs and glitches with your Google Chrome application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix the Google Chrome, especially if you are encountering any bugs or glitches. So let me show you how you can do the same in an Android device. So the first thing that you will be going to do is simply tap and hold on to the application icon, and then from here we will choose app info. Now it will open your device settings, and under the device settings what you can try to do is first disable this and then click on to disable app. You might also need to type in your password or your fingerprint, and then once you can see that the application has been disabled, you can enable it again and see if the app works perfectly fine or not. Now if this does not work, you can try to click onto this force stop option and choose force stop, and then relaunch the application and check whether this works or not. Even if this does not work, you can go to storage usage and click onto this clear cache option and then try relaunching the application. If this also fails, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling, but unfortunately that is not possible in most of the Android devices. Now you may also try to reboot your device or check for any system upgrades that are pending. If there are, do make sure to update your system to the latest version and hopefully it will work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.